tour, I'm just going to give you guys a quick little overview of my room. So I kept it pretty simple with just some neutral tones and then pops of blue here and there. I absolutely love how my room turned out. I think it's so cute and bright and cozy, and I think it fits my personality and my style perfectly, and I'm just so happy about the way that it turned out. So what you first see when you walk into my room is my dresser and this hat wall. So I got my dresser from Ikea, and then the blue cubes are from Target, and I will try and link everything that I can find in my room down in the description box for you guys in case you want to check any of the items out, because I probably won't be able to say everything fast enough. But I left the top two spaces of the dresser open so I could add some little decor items, and then I also decorated the top with a couple of cute things. And all of these are from Target except for my record player, which I'm pretty sure is from Amazon, but I got it for my birthday a couple years ago, so I'm not sure. And then of course I had to add fairy lights because those are my favorite things ever. I think they make everything so magical. And then for my hat wall, I just have these three adorable hats that I absolutely love, and this circle mirror. I've always wanted a hat wall because I see them all over Pinterest all the time, so I'm so excited that I finally have one. And then when you turn the corner, you see this calendar that I actually made, and I think it turned out super cute, so I just wanted to show it off a little bit. And then right next to my bed, I just have one of my nightstands, and I actually made both of my nightstands just by taking a crate and screwing some table legs onto them. So I just decorated this one with some fake flowers and a candle and some magazines and a cute little book inside. And moving right along, the next thing that you see is my bed. So the actual bed frame is a day bed from Walmart, and then on it I just have some pillows that are from HomeGoods and Target. And my personal favorite part is the breakfast tray table thing. I think it's so cute. I got it for my birthday a couple years ago. And then I just have this simple throw blanket that I got from HomeGoods. And then there's my other nightstand on the other side of my bed. So this one just has a lamp and my journals that I write in every day, along with some cute decor pieces. It's all right now, but I don't know if I can take another call. And now we have made it to my favorite part of my room. I love this corner so much. This wall was blank, so I decided I wanted to decorate it using my full-length mirror that I got at the consignment store a couple of years ago. So I just hung that up along with some pictures that I printed off and put in frames. And I think what just took this wall to a whole nother level is the lights. I absolutely love them. I got these outdoor lights at HomeGoods, I think. It might have been Target, but I'm pretty sure it was HomeGoods. And then in the corner, I just have this wicker chair that is actually thrifted, and I got this super cute pillow from Target to kind of bring a little more pop of blue into my room. And then right next to the chair, I have this tall plant stand from Joann's and this adorable little fake plant on top of that. And I just love this corner. It makes me so happy. Then on the next wall, there's just my closet, so there's nothing too exciting to see there. But right next to that, on this blank space, I just have my guitar hanging up. And now we're back to where we started, so that completes my room tour. Brings me down. Hey guys! I'm Ellie and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my room tour today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you liked seeing my room and the way I decorated it. I decided to do a room tour because recently I actually moved into this room from a different room in my house, so I had so much fun decorating it and just making it my own little cozy space. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that, and hopefully maybe you got some inspiration for your room. But if you did like this video and if you want to see more kind of room decor type of videos that has nothing to do with this video, but if you want to see videos like that, make sure you give this one a thumbs up. And also comment down below and tell me what like the color scheme of your room is, or if you could design your dream room or house, what would the color scheme be? Anyway, I think that's all I have to say for now, but don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, because I post a new video every single weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!